Indian Textile Inc. rolls out the red carpet for UAE, rest of the world.
Indian textile leaders have rolled out the red carpet to investors from the UAE and other parts of the world, urging them to become part of the country's textile success story. At a global investor summit organized as part of the ongoing Textile Week at the India Pavilion in Expo 2020, Dubai, government representatives and industry stakeholders highlighted Dubai's role as a great platform for the Indian textile industry to target the Middle East and North Africa markets and beyond. The participants deliberated on the potential of the Indian textile sector and deepening engagement with the UAE and the world. Emphasizing the strong network between India and the UAE, speakers said that the UAE is a preferred destination for India due to its strategic location, explaining how the two nations also shared strong trade and cultural ties. Consul General of India in Dubai, Dr. Aman Puri, in his keynote address highlighted strong relations of India and the UAE and the potential of taking advantage of Dubai's strategic location for the Indian textile sector to expand globally. The connection between the UAE and the Indian business entities has enabled trade and commerce to grow with the region. Indian businessmen in the sector must look at Dubai as a springboard for their entrepreneurial journey and global expansion in the MENA region and beyond.